Ikigai Driven. Follow your passion. Oh my god! 600 horsepower! Why did you pick it back down now?
I already got to pay the bill, so gotta work it off.
Oh god, what the f? Do it, Justin. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Finally, the RSX is on the frame machine. Effing finally.
Did you finish recording?
No, never.
Say yes. Say yes.
Alright, now my original motor is coming apart. Tony's taking my original motor apart so we can use the head. Woo! Cams are out. 50-degree VTC gear. Rocker assembly is out. Alright, putting the dowel pins back on. The dowel pins help the head sit on properly, like align properly. Yeah. And also, like when you put this gasket on, it makes the gasket pretty like center, I guess. Sweet. Sweet. Oh my god. I can't believe this is happening. So what if I go turbo? Would that still be okay? But what about the valves themselves?
Yeah, you want to operate the valve.
Oh shit. Oh, perfect. Nice. Alright, so we got the nut and the washer on for the head studs. And now we're going to torque them down. Tony remembers the sequence. What problems do you think I can run into by building the bottom end by myself? I partially believe it'll turn over, and partially I'm worried that it won't.
Every good instant builder,
Yeah.
or anything you do, it's not gonna be perfect the first time you do that.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to expect that something's gonna go wrong, or you're gonna get it right, but then, you know, like not on the spec because of.
I know.
Nobody's perfect.
Yeah.
One shot.
I know it's a lot of the. I know some of the stuff isn't up to like super spec, but yeah, I anticipated. Yeah, I guess the fear is from the anticipation that something might go wrong. You know.
So you learn, you figure out what's wrong, you learn, you correct your mistakes, and you get it. It's like riding a bike.
How soon will we know? Like just right when.
If any funny noises or anything like that.
Like knocking or anything like that.
That's the first stage. If there's no noise there, it's probably good. The dyno would be the final. But if it's the dyno with the RPM, if there's something will go wrong, and it will go wrong on the dyno.
The next day.
Damn! Damn! Throw it! Damn! Nice. Here's the front bulkhead. It's Sham's trying to bend the front frame back together. You see this is some of the progress that he's making. And if you don't remember, this is what it looked like before, all bashed in. Afterwards, some more test fitting. This is the bash bar test fitted in. As you can see, it lines up with the holes. Then the car gets some paint. The rest of the body gets test fitted. As you can see, it lines up all pretty well. And then to the back of the car, we get rid of the rear quarter panel. There's Tony and Sham prepping the new quarter panel. This is the donor. A little bit more prep work, and then the quarter panel goes on. Some seam sealer on the bottom, and bam, there you go, all welded in. The motor's also done, and the motor is put back in the car. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I know you guys haven't seen the car in a minute, but here it is. Everything is, the majority of the work has been done. The front has been repaired. The k20 motor has been put in. We're just filling it up with some coolant. Give you guys a peek at the rear quarter panel. It's silver. Lines up pretty well. Everything's straight. Everything has been seam sealed. Yep, we're just waiting on the big moment. Starting the car up. Hopefully everything goes fine. I'll be back in a little bit. Do it, Justin. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Woo! 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 Alright, thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment,